I wanted them to be serious, and out of them few were very serious, who helped us a lot in doing this project. But rest of them, especially some few boys, they need to understand it more deeply. Girls were speaking more than that of boys, just because I feel boys don't take it as seriously as girls do, because it is always done with girls. That's
and
why.
boys get privileges by birth, by their family. The story of the play is like there is a man who keeps beating his wife every day, and he has got 3 daughters. And he always beat his wife and say that you have given birth to 3 girl child. You couldn't even give birth to a male child, and so like his daughters go to school every day, but he never pay their fees to in the school. So one day these girls get frustrated and they commit suicide.
It's not only a husband who is angry on his wife for giving her 3 child, but his mother as well.
What I expected was that women will not be gathered. Many women will not be gathered there, and people will not be open to us, and which happened. And I also expected that they would not tell their stories, because if they'll tell about all their stories, then maybe they feel that their dignity in the society will be low, and this is what happened. They did not told their stories to us. I think that they got into tears because of the reason that maybe they are the victims of domestic violence, but they can't share it with us because of the dignity in the society, and they want to get rid of this problem, but still there is nobody to support them. But maybe when we showed them the play, they must have thought that maybe now we have somebody to support us, that we can raise our voice.
Women are crying, but they are not so open to us, that they are not sharing it to us. So we really want them to open to us, and so for what we are planning to go to that village once again and gathering women, talking to them and making them feel comfortable with us. I have got opportunity to work with this project as youth leader, and I had to pick up the topic, which is a social issue, and I picked up this domestic violence. As we did this street play and all, we got to know that rather than being shocked now, we need to help them. And it's not just 2 or 3 cases that we hear, it is something very common.
By doing this project, I got to know deeply about domestic violence and how it is affecting many people, and it gave me many positive things. Like I never thought of writing a play, but I wrote the play and directed it with my friend, and which made people cry. So it was a very wonderful thing for me.
I never thought that I'll get involved in such kind of issue, but now I feel obliged to be a part of this issue, that I'm helping so many people around me. Anything can happen, what we have not even thought of.